Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered where everything we are comes from? From the oxygen in your lungs to the carbon in your bones, almost every element that makes up life on Earth was forged in the heart of stars. That's right. The stars are not just twinkling lights in the night sky. They're cosmic forges, gigantic nuclear engines that gave birth to the very building blocks of life. But even after decades of studying them, there's still so much we don't know, especially when it comes to how stars are born. And now, a strange mystery at the very center of our galaxy is challenging everything we thought we knew. Thanks to the unparalleled vision of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers are uncovering a baffling puzzle in a place called Sagittarius Sea, a region where stars should be forming, but aren't. Let's dive in. At the heart of the Milky Way, about 200 light-years from our galaxy's central black hole, lies Sagittarius C, a dense, shadowy cloud of gas and dust. The kind of place that should be bustling with newborn stars. But it's not. And that's the mystery. Despite being in one of the most active star-forming regions of the galaxy, Sagittarius C is strangely quiet. Astronomers expected a cosmic nursery filled with stellar infants, forming by the dozens from the abundant hydrogen gas in the area. But observations show something else entirely. Why? What could be silencing a stellar nursery in the middle of a star factory? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the sky. In 2023, JWST aimed its infrared gaze deep into Sagittarius C. Unlike visible light, infrared can pierce through thick clouds of gas and dust, revealing secrets long hidden from view. What it found left scientists stunned. Within the veils of obscurity, JWST revealed dozens of glowing, needle-like filaments stretching for light years, twisting and turning like tangled threads of plasma. They weren't expected. And they weren't small. Some of them extended across vast distances, snaking through the molecular clouds where stars should be forming. One of the researchers who co-authored the findings, Ruben Fedriani from Spain's Instituto de Astrofísica de Andalucía, put it plainly: "We certainly did not anticipate those filaments." It was a completely serendipitous discovery. But what exactly are they? And what are they doing there? The answer might lie in the monstrous object sitting nearby, Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. With a mass nearly 4 million times that of our Sun, Sagittarius A exerts an unfathomable gravitational pull on everything around it. Gas, dust, stars, nothing escapes its influence. And that includes Sagittarius C. Scientists now believe the intense turbulence caused by Sagittarius A could be shaping the chaotic environment of the star-forming cloud. The wild gravitational forces might be whipping the gas into violent motion, forming the long plasma filaments observed by JWST. But that's not the only thing possibly disrupting star formation. The new research also points to a hidden force we often overlook in cosmic evolution: magnetic fields. You heard that right. Magnetic fields, those invisible lines of force that exist around everything from fridge magnets to Earth's poles, may be playing a major role in stifling star birth. The studies reveal that magnetic fields in the Sagittarius C region may be strong enough to prevent molecular clouds from collapsing under their own gravity. And that collapse is essential for star formation. Without it, you don't get protostars. You don't get fusion. You don't get stars. You get silence. Astrophysicist John Valley from the University of Colorado Boulder and lead author of one of the two new papers said this: "For the first time, we are seeing directly that strong magnetic fields may play an important role in suppressing star formation, even at small scales." That's a big deal. Until now, most research into star formation has focused on gravity, temperature, and gas density. But this new insight suggests magnetic fields may be quietly acting behind the scenes, shaping galaxies and influencing when, where, and if stars are born. And it raises even bigger questions. How common is this magnetic suppression? Could it be affecting other galaxies too? Are we only seeing the tip of the cosmic iceberg? That's something scientists are only beginning to explore. Samuel Crowe, an astrophysicist at the University of Virginia and lead author of the second new study, called it an exciting area for future research. He pointed out that the role of strong magnetic fields in star formation, especially near galactic centers, has largely been underestimated. But there's more. JWST also helped identify two massive, young stars nestled close to the core of Sagittarius C, and around them, a pair of rope-like filaments, boundaries of enormous cavities likely carved out by powerful stellar winds. Think of these winds as high-speed streams of particles blowing out from the stars, creating vast bubbles in the surrounding material. These bubbles push against the gas, sculpting it, shaping it, and possibly blowing away the very stuff needed to form more stars. In fact, based on the new data, scientists estimate that Sagittarius C has already lost a significant portion of its star-forming material. So much, in fact, that it might only have a few 100,000 years left before it becomes completely dormant. In cosmic terms, that's the blink of an eye. "It's almost the end of the story," said John Bally. And if that's true, then we're witnessing the final chapter of a star nursery's life. One that began millions of years ago and is now fading into darkness. But what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? It means our models of star formation may be too simple. It means we can no longer ignore the influence of galactic environments, the push and pull of black holes, the power of magnetic fields, and the chaos of stellar winds. It means star formation isn't just about having gas and gravity. It's also about the delicate interplay of forces we're only beginning to understand. And most of all, it means there are still incredible cosmic secrets waiting to be discovered. Right now, JWST is peeling back layers of the universe that have remained hidden for billions of years. And with every new image, every new data set, we're rewriting the story of the cosmos. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. From the birth of stars to the elements in our bodies. We're finding out how we got here, and why we're here at all. The discoveries at Sagittarius C are just one piece of the puzzle, but they remind us that the universe is never done surprising us. Even in places where we think we know what to expect, the cosmos has other plans. The two groundbreaking papers describing these discoveries were published in the Astrophysical Journal, a scientific milestone not just for astronomers, but for anyone who's ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there. As we continue to explore the final frontiers of space, one thing is certain: the stars have many more secrets to share. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the heart of our galaxy. If you enjoyed uncovering the mysteries of the universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment of cosmic discovery. This is Spaceverse, where the universe comes to life.